Hello, welcome to our daily dose lesson, the live recording of Mrs. Seymour. We are in Unit 2 for Vocabulary 3, and today we just got some fun ideas about why making connections are important, and we played our little Quizlet game so that you can do that anytime you want to just review your words before you take your test. Just go to that Quizlet game, those are lots of fun. Today I wanted to just quickly act out 3 of our words, and another day I'll act out some more. But I thought sometimes if you can see what words mean visually, you'll remember them better. So yeah, we read their definition, we maybe saw some pictures about it yesterday's lesson, and we're kind of starting to think about what each of those words mean. But if we visualize it with Mrs. Seymour doing some things where I can act it out for you, that's just going to make one more connection in your brain, and you're going to totally start to know what that word means. So our words are behind me right here. Reflect, degree, universe, crater, astronomer, B-sides, gravity, diameter, telescope, and gaze. We're in Unit 2. And the words I want to act out for you today, or just kind of show for you, I'm not going to run around and act out because I got my little nook set up right here. But I wanted to do the word diameter, because this is a word you're really going to actually use a lot. You might think you just might think, no, I'm not. But when you do lots of things in math as you grow up in high school and college, you're going to use diameter a lot. Lots of jobs use diameter for measuring lots of things. So diameter, if we're going to look at the book and really tell us exactly what diameter means, it means the distance from side to side and through the center of a circle or round object. And the picture is these little kids measuring that tree trunk. So it's from side to side and through a round object. So I have some round objects. I have this lime. I cut it open. Now it's dripping on me. This lime is circular. We can see it. Ooh, wow, this is hard. Circular right there. Okay? So the diameter is going to be from side to side, it said. From side to side. That measurement right there, right down the middle, to see the diameter of this lime. Okay, that will be, and if I get my hairspray bottle, it's round on the bottom. So the diameter of this round bottom is going to be from side to side of the diameter. Okay, it's not this whole thing. It's right here. The line that goes from side to side that measures the diameter of that circle. It just goes right through the center. If I had my tape, I can see the diameters right through the center. Like this would be the diameter. This imaginary line right here. That's the diameter. Okay? So those are 3 examples of diameter. So you can go look around your house, find things that have circles, grab a ruler, and just start looking at what the diameter is. It's really fun. Anyone can do it. The other one I wanted to do was gaze. Actually, it was not gaze. It was reflect. So reflect can mean 2 things. Pretend I'm looking in a mirror. I'm acting out. I'm looking in a mirror, doing my makeup, and my reflection is coming back at me so I can see what I'm doing. Brushing my hair. I'm reflecting my image. That's reflect. Okay, go to your bathroom and look in your mirror. You can reflect your image. That's reflect. It just reflects right back. You can see whatever it is. Or you can think of the moon shining down onto an ocean. That was our picture in our book. The moon shining down onto the clear body of water. The moon's reflection is going to be in the water. And that's really pretty to see. Reflect also means I'm reflecting on all of the chores I should be doing in my house. I'm reflecting about my book that I read last night and how is Katniss going to end these Hunger Games series. I'm reflecting. So you think deeply. You just reflect. You just think about something. Think about what you're going to do tomorrow. You just think deeply about something. So reflect is You think carefully about something or the image that reflects back. This guy's reflecting deeply about his next chess move. So reflect means two things. And the last one is gravity. Okay, we hear this word gravity a lot. What in the heck is gravity? So if we read the definition, it's the force on our planet that pulls objects towards the center of the earth. Okay, so it's this force that's all around us. We can't see it. We can't see gravity, but it's all around us, and it pulls us all to the center of the earth. It keeps us all on the ground. Like, so we're not floating around. So here's my line. If I drop it, is it going to float? No, it's not going to just float because the gravity is around us, and gravity is going to like make this fall right onto my lap. Here it goes. Ah! Gravity. Okay. So you can think of that. Gravity is just what pulls things down into the earth, like keeps us grounded, makes it so I can walk and I'm not floating. It makes so my scissors are sitting right here and they're just not floating. Gravity keeps things pulled towards the center of the earth. Gravity could also mean, like this one says, it's the condition of being really serious. So maybe, and the sentence is, Celia understood later the gravity of what she had done when she was walking too close to the large waves. So like something that's really serious could have a lot of gravity. Like my decision, like if I'm trying to think of a, I heard maybe that my grandmother got cancer, and the gravity of that disease makes me really sad. Like how serious that disease is makes me really sad. One time I held a big yellow, huge python snake when we were down in Trinidad, and I look at those pictures and I can see the gravity of how scary that situation was if that snake would have just turned around and bit me or something. So the gravity is just like like it could just be a serious thing that, you know, you're thinking about. So those were 3 of our words we learned. Some more about reflect, diameter, and gravity. Our connection minute today is, if you're involved in an extracurricular activity, make sure to keep your update, to email your teacher and tell your teacher, guess what, Mrs. Seymour, or guess what, whoever your teacher is, I did gymnastics yesterday and it was so cool, or I went to karate and you'll never believe that I earned my black belt, or anything fun you do, or I'm like playing the violin, or I got to level 5 on this video game. Whatever extracurricular thing that you just love to do, tell your teacher about it. Your teachers love to hear about things that their students are doing. So that's our connection minute. Have a fun day. Thanks for coming to our daily dose today. Bye.